Snowbird season is coming to an end in Arizona, and as thousands return to cooler parts of the country, they leave behind their second homes, thousands of empty homes all over the valley. And if you believe social media, an ideal opportunity for squatters. 12 News journalist Kyle Simchuk is looking into the laws and how you can protect your property.
Squatters are uninvited guests who live in vacant or abandoned homes illegally. They have rights in Arizona, but fewer protections compared to other states like New York, where a woman was arrested for changing the locks to a home she inherited after finding strangers inside.
Just this year, because of all of the news about squatters, I am getting a lot of calls for consultations. People who are snowbirds saying, what should we do? What preventative measures should we take?
Real estate attorney Jesse Wolnick says in some cases, getting rid of squatters is not as simple as calling 911.
But I do know law enforcement is sometimes hesitant to remove a person under that statute, and they'll say this is a civil matter.
The Phoenix Police Department says officers will arrest someone accused of squatting if they can't prove they're allowed to be there. If they do have legal documents, PPD says the property owner would have to do an eviction. The first step of that process involves posting a 5-day notice at the property, letting squatters know they're trespassing and must leave immediately. If they refuse to vacate, Wolnick says an eviction action is filed in justice court and a judge will sign an order.
If you're lucky, an eviction should take 3 to 6 weeks.
And Wolnick says you can expect to pay $600 to $800 in attorney fees. There are simple steps property owners, especially snowbirds, can take to protect their homes. First, get to know your neighbor.
Notify your neighbors who should be at the property, that there shouldn't be anybody at the property. If you do have somebody checking on the property for you, have them looking, every week, every 2 weeks. Don't let too much time go between checking on the property.
Another tip, don't let your home look vacant. Things like a pile of newspapers can be a dead giveaway. Kyle Simchuk, 12 News.